Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Naya Vinchelle. So I did this all nude cut crease makeup, basically focusing more so on the eyes. And if you would like to see how I achieved this look, be sure to continue watching, like, comment, and subscribe, and all products will be listed below in the description box. So I'm starting off with my NYX Marshmallow Primer. I already primed my face, and this is my e.l.f. Satin Finish Concealer, and I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow base to prep my eyes. Now I'm using my No Filter setting spray by ColourPop, and I'm just going to spray my brush, and I'm just going to continue packing this onto my eye, making sure that everything is nice and blended out. Now I'm using my Morphe 39A palette, and as you guys can see, this eyeshadow is cracked and it fell, but I'm going to go ahead and take this eyeshadow and place it directly into my crease as a transition shade, continuously blending this out until it's exactly how I want it. So I'm taking this slightly darker brown shade, and I'm going to place that right below where I put that transition shade, and again blend that out. And then after I get them exactly how I want it, kind of winging this out as well, I'm going to just blend these two shades together to make sure that everything is nice and blended. So again, taking that same concealer that I used earlier, I'm going to use this and cut my crease, creating like an Egyptian effect, more so like a winged cut crease look. And I'm just now taking this lighter brown shade, and I'm going to place this directly onto my lid where I cut my crease. And I'm sorry, you guys, about the lighting. My ring light broke last minute, and it was a little late, and the sun was setting. But again, I'm just going to continue packing this on to my lid, making sure that everything is nice and blended together. And I step back a little bit so you guys can actually see the true shades. And now I'm just doing the other eye as well, blending out that crease and taking that shade, packing it on the lid. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Jetsetter liquid eyeliner in black, and I'm just going ahead and creating a winged eyeline on my, or a wing line basically on my eye. And as you guys can see, this is what it looks like on both eyes. And now I'm just going to go ahead and blend out my foundation, concealer, and contour. All of the products that I use will be listed below in the description box and linked below as well, so you're able to purchase them. But I'm just going ahead and blending out all of these things on my face, contour my forehead, cheeks, everything. And now I'm just using my Airspun setting powder, and I believe this is Honeymoon. Could be wrong. So like I said, it'll just be listed below in the description box. But now I'm just cutting my contour and using powder as well on my forehead. And I'm just creating my nose contour, continuing to blend using those same powders that I used on my cheeks. And I use a smaller brush to contour my nose now. And I'm just taking these lashes by Yoni. These are from my local beauty supply store. And I'm applying these as well. These are 32mm mink lashes, and they're in the style Celine. And now I'm just blending out my blush and making sure that everything is nice and blended on my face. And I'm applying highlighter now using basically my bronzer that I always use, and blending everything out. So I'm taking my NK lip liner in Wild Cherry, and I'm just going ahead and line my lips. Now I'm taking this Nude lip stain by Smoke and Mirrors, and it doesn't have a name, and I actually got this from 5 and Below, so if you have one in your area, check them out. But this is my Rimmel Linden lip gloss, and this is in the shade Down to Gloss in number 125. I absolutely love this. So this is the complete look, you guys. I did apply setting spray off camera, and this is what I'm working with. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye. Mwah.